Alright, getting started. First game, second bet. Two spins. Somebody went up, two spins. Now we'll do it. Back to cash. Hey, 82. So I'm up $82. Started with free play, so it's all off free play. So we have $82. See what happens. Get it started. Two spins. See what happens. Walk out with a jackpot anthem. Alright, we're in the feature, 300 in. $12 in the credit. We got the feature, $300 in the game, so one full screen make it go crazy, you never know. See a big full screen with them big icons drop, it'll make it all worthwhile. Minor, major, jackpot. See some big shit pop out. Full screen, feel it. Walk out with some big shit. Full screen lines up. Pow, there we go, that's a good one. Let's keep moving. Full screen, line it up, full screen. Fill it up. Fill it up big. It takes one pop to make it drop. Okay, it didn't drop. I think that's full screen. Not full screen, but games are completed. So 300 into the game, let's see what happens. It's my first game, first machine. First game, first machine. Let's see what happens if we get a big one. Get a jackpot. First game, first machine. 300. Pow. 300. And pow. Got the right one. Jackpot. Not bad. $300 in the game. Pow. Run it up. $1,550. Not bad. Made the right play. Today was the right play. So that thing running up. You gotta have patience, you gotta have discipline. You never know. $300 in the game and $25 of free play, so not bad. So we just basically made $1,500, man. Minus 300, so like 1,200. We made $1,250, man, and like $1,250 in about freaking 5 minutes, man. $1,200, man. All profit. Hey, fucking 5 minutes. Wow, did that. Jackpot. There we go. On the way. Not bad. Run it up. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. You heard? Did it. Higher than it. Didn't active. Now go. So you gotta be smart. Gotta be 10 toes down. Gotta take a risk. You know, gotta take a chance if you want to advance. You never know. It only takes one. You know, in the high limit room, we're getting busy. But yo, take a chance. You can advance. You know, hand paid. On the way. And the reason why I played this game is because I looked down and I saw a money band on the floor, 10 racks. See a $10,000 money band right here. So the way I'd seen it as, okay, somebody was here and they were sitting for racks, 10 racks money band. So somebody probably either put a lot of money in right here or they got a lot of money right here. So that's the reason why. So one of my methods is you just find something that stands out to you. You gotta find something that stands out and makes sense. So that was what it was. It was the money band on the floor. See a $10,000 money band on the floor. And hey, that was what got me to play the game. So you know, we got it cracking. So hey, my jackpot lady's here, so I gotta go. What's happening, jackpot lady?
Thank you for playing.
So there it is. There's the game, Panda Magic. Bust down right here, $12 a bet, and the money's all here. So you know, anything is possible. You gotta believe in yourself, and you gotta just find, you know, something that you feel is pulling you and calling you to play the game. You know, like I said, there was a money band on the floor, and that's the reason why I chose the game. So You know, I made the right pick, made the right choice. And, you know, you gotta have the right bankroll, the strongest bankroll. I had a bankroll of $1,100. So, you know, it is what it is. It came with $1,100. Only took 30 spins. Took 30 spins. And I put 300 in. So 30 spins, 300 in, and we got the jackpot. You know, $1,550. It's not bad. It took me like 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes. Okay, 4 or 5 minutes to make freaking $1,250 in profit. Actually, $1,262. So the profit is $1,262. Not bad for, you know, 4 or 5 minutes of work. So pull up, follow my casino method. I give you gems, I give you sauce, I give you game, I give you methods. So you can do this shit all the time. In the hiring room, getting busy. This is where all the money's at. It's in the hiring room. Hi, RTP. Talking to this jackpot lady. She said that this machine right here is the one that hit earlier for like 11,000. That's probably why there's a money band on the floor, you know? Because, you know, for 10,000, because somebody hit for 11 right here. So that called out to me, and that's the reason why I picked this game. Straight like that. All right, so we got a profit win of $1,262. That's not bad. It took us about 4 or 5 minutes. So, you know, the method was just find something that sticks out to you. You know, like I said, I saw a $10,000 money band on the floor, so that shit stick out to me. Like, hey, somebody either dropped a hell of money into this machine, so it's probably ready to crack, or it paid out a big bag of money and somebody just dropped their money band right there because it just paid out. And come to find out, like the jackpot lady said, as soon as she pulled up on me, she said somebody just hit for 11,000 right there. So I made the right pick. It was something that jumped out to me, and I just stayed down. You know, $12.50 a bet, $12.50 a bet. You know, so $12.50 a bet. It hit. It took about 30 spins. Okay, that was 30 spins to make it happen. And, you know, I knew that it might take a while before it goes off because that was, you know, $12.50 a bet, $300. So that's not bad. That's pretty damn good, actually, you know, to make $1,200 in that amount of time. You can do this all the time. So follow my casino method, and you got to go on a winning streak. You take a good win, you walk away, leave the casino, all right? So I've only been here for, you know, like 30 minutes or something. I got some pizza, ate the pizza. Pizza was free. You know, always use your player's card to get comped. So I got some free pizza, ate the free pizza, straight to the high limit room. You know, looked around for, you know, 1 minute, found something that caught my eye, sat down, got busy, got active, and, you know, upped the stakes, went straight to $12.50 a bet. And like I said, only, you know, up the stakes if you have a strong bankroll. And I'm up thousands of dollars off the shit, so I could afford to take, you know, bigger bets. But if your bankroll smaller, do $5. Okay, go to the high limit room, bet $5, $7.50, $10 when you're lower. And once you go up, start betting 10, you know, 12.50, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 when you start going up. So, you know, you can really run this shit up and keep it all the way real with you. So I always do. So I done went up like 10,000. Probably in the past like month. So hey, it's money in here. Play like that. So found the value in this video. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with the crazy powerful casino method gems on all my goals to blast off. And just play it in the high limit room. Like I said, all the games get the highest RTP, return to player rate, because they cost the most to play. So be smart. Don't go over your budget. And if you take losses, you can bounce back and go on a winning streak. I'm on a 3-day winning streak. Winning streaks are very, very lucrative, all right? So you can go on a winning streak, very lucrative, take your win, walk away, and come back another day. You can continue to play. As soon as you run out of money, the game is over. Stay like that, all right? Please gamble responsibly, all right? Always a risk of loss. So even though this shit is a game, it's not a fucking game, okay? This is real. Realest game out. Realest casino game, you heard? You ain't never heard it like this. So, yo, take it from a real diamond player, too. Real high roller with this. I've been doing this shit for minutes. I studied this game for a very, very long time, all right? Through the ups, through the downs. I done seen it all. I've been around, right? Till next time, you know what to do. Spontaneous production. We out. Peace.
Spontaneous